Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to download xrecorder in your tablet. Xrecorder to record your screen. So now uninstall this, install the xrecorder, and go to Play Store and search xrecorder. xrecorder and tap install, and I'll show you the steps once it's installed. I'll pause for now. Guys, I just found another one. Install this if you want to install this. But yeah. Click open and go up here and not this one. Now, if you don't want to go on this app, like 10 quadrillion seconds, 10 quadrillion times, click on this button. Where is it? Screen recorder. Here, blah. Oh no, this is not it. Xrecorder. Edit. Now, go here, xrecorder. And if you want to take a screenshot, add screenshot as well. Where can I put this now? Here. Now, I want to, another one. So, yeah, that's how you do it. Bye guys, see you in the next video.